Welcome, today I'm showing how to change screen recorder quality into a NUBIA Red Magic 5S. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and find more features option. Go into, here choose Super Snap option, and here we got screen recorder block option. So first option in the list will be screen recording quality. Tap it, and here we choose and customize your screen recorder quality. For example, I wanna customize, and here choose your resolution and bitrate. And for saving, for example, this option, click back and it saves automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.